Well, hello everyone, and welcome to my shop. Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'll be getting on this 75 Corvette and taking care of some door cards that I picked up a couple months ago. Now I'll explain later in the video that I got them off eBay. Guy totaled his vet and he was parting it out, so I got a pretty good deal on them. There's a few things with them I have to address, and you may notice that that there's different time frames involved, because I actually purchased them cards a couple, 2-3 months ago. I've been waiting for good weather to dye them and more good weather to come out and install them. Well, today it's hitting in the 50s. We've been in the 9 and 10s for like 2 weeks with rain and snow. I mean, it's been like winter time around here. But now I can get out here and do some wrenching. So stay tuned. Let's get some door cards installed in this 75 Corvette. Alright, this is the right side panel, and I've not started on it yet, but there's that chrome strip there. The wood grain here. Then you have the latch, the lever to door latch, the lock, and this chrome piece or trim piece here. So we're going to get them out by flipping it over and unscrewing. And here you can see the screws that holds the wood grain piece on. The screws down here that hold that chrome piece at the bottom on, and this is a long screw right here. And then you fold these tabs over here to get the trim off around the door lock. And it's like it's broke here, so all I have to do is pry that off. So anyway, I may have to do some research to see what it is that secures them in. You can see right here where it's get down where it looks like it's broke off. I don't know if it was a nut or what. Okay. Oddly enough, these are straight slot. These are Phillips. We got this long Phillips right here. And there's that chrome piece. Now normally the carpet would stop here, but it goes all the way up to here because they've cut out for a speaker grill here, and they're using that as the grill. So I kind of pried that carpet back a little bit, and it would leave such a bad spot on this vinyl that I'm going to do some studying to see if there's anything I can do about it. But at this particular time, I don't think I can repair that vinyl without replacing it, and that is not in my skill set. There's short screws. And there's that piece. That's where it screws into. Alright. Now I got to pry up on these tabs and that'll get that one trim piece off. Carefully, you don't want to break them. You see the tabs, that's that piece. Now I don't know what normally holds this in, but it's been broke off, so I can just pry it up for now. See, the tips have been broke. Now there is a chrome scraper here, and I tried to get it off the other panel too, and it's got I'm afraid I'm gonna break them, so I may just work around that. I'm gonna think about it. Okay, I've got most all the trim off. The wood grain insert, that took screws on the back side, and they were folded over pins. And this, apparently someone had taken it off before and broke how it was connected, so I'm going to research how to re-terminate that, because I was just able to pry it up. But anyway, this panel is ready to clean and prep for dye. Alright, I didn't bore you with showing you me dyeing it, but this is the dye I used right here. Okay, and it's supposed to be the correct shade of black for these the interior, and you can see that I coated the carpet and the vinyl, and I used a vinyl prep, which is over here. So we'll walk over here. This stuff's strong. All right, here's the prep I used. Right here. Anyway, of course I scrubbed it with Dawn dish detergent all before that too. So anyway, and I got a heater set up. It's about 40 degrees outside, and it's probably 10 degrees cool. Well, that's not freezing in here. It's about 5 degrees cooler, so I got some heat set up to help set these up. So anyway, that's where we're at. All right, we're going to try to put it together now. It takes these 5 short screws. Scratch. Okay, we got this one back together. Sorry I didn't record putting it all together. The batteries went dead, and well, that's what happens. Now there's a trick I've discovered with putting this on, and in order to show you, if you remember from the beginning of the film, these were broke off. You notice here I have drilled an 1/8 inch hole and put a screw in to hold it in. And what happens is when you put that chrome piece on, don't bend these two tabs yet for this piece, all right? Don't bend it yet, because you jam that in there, screw that down, bend them tabs, and it's not coming out. I discovered that the hard way. Now the reason why is I'll show you on the old okay, here's the old door card. You can see it's in pretty bad shape. I'll show you the front, but right here, if you look, you see it looks like they put washers over the little rods that stick up, and then they smashed them down. I mean, there's no bolts or screws, and that's how come it was broke off. And that would have been fun breaking them off anyway. And I'll show you on the other side. You see, that's the original. Now here's some bad spots on mine. Look here. Ooh yeah, Bubba was loose there. Look here. Oh me. Look here. I mean, he was loose. I may take this wood grain off, maybe this chrome piece, but it's pitted real bad. I don't know if it's salvageable, but I might take it off. Somebody may find it useful. All right, time to install him. That's the passenger side. All right, there's the driver's side installed. It's pretty good. You got your brace down here. You know, let me get a light. All right, to show how it's installed, you can see right here, and there's one on the front bottom, up there on the front. Screw here, screw there, and you got a couple of those cinch connectors, and that's all that, and of course that's what holds him in. And another thing I've noticed, no rattle. The window, it holds the window tight now. So anyway, let's get over there to the passenger side. All right, I'm gonna attempt to try to show me putting that this passenger side card on. Special tool. All right. What I'm gonna do is reach through the card, hook that handle, and pull it out. All right. There you go. And hopefully it'll pull out enough so I can get that handle started through here. So let's see. You gotta have the door wide open, so I had to maneuver the car to get that room. All right, here we go. And there we go. All right. That went much easier than I thought it would. All right. Well, all right. And there's the passenger door. Looks 100% better. And also, I wanted to point out, you got the connector right here. All right. And let me see, where's my light? Here's my light. And there's the connector right there. Okay. Screw there. Screw there. And of course, your pull handle. And that's it. Installed. Okay. All right. 3 months later, it's done. Here's the old cards here. I'll hold on to them, and if there's anybody that wants them, think they can refurbish them. They're in rough, bad shape, but I mean, real bad shape. But I'll hold them for a little while. If anybody's interested, drop me an email, and we'll talk about it. But you can see Bubba, he got loose. Look at this rubber part here. He put some kind of stuff here. Oh man. Of course that's coming off. Here. he went crazy. Then he drilled more holes to screw it in because he didn't use the right clips. Now, of course, if you buy these things, of course you can't get them but aftermarket. And if you buy them brand new, you're going to, for the deluxe being, you got the wood grain and you got the chrome and you got the carpet. You're going to pay a premium price for the premium product. And well, that's why I kept looking. It took me about 1.5 years of looking before I found the deal I wanted on the cards that I put in that. And they were deluxe, but they were the wrong color, so I had to dye them. So I got the cards at a real good price. I got these clips, the door clips that go on the bottom. This is the part number. I'll show you a close up. IN26, 68 to 77 door panel clip, but it's 4. So, you know, there's 2 per door card or panel, and they secure on the bottom. Bubba, they've been long gone on these because they were tore out. I guess somebody didn't know any better and they tore it out. But so I put them in, and they are installed as the factory had them done. Now, if you notice in the video, it says Eckler's, and they're plastic back as opposed to, looks like, well, it's hard to say what that is. Almost like a fiberglass coating on fiberboard or something. But these are the OEM original door cards. And but those aftermarket Eckler's, they fit pretty good. Now, I didn't buy them new. Again, I got them used off eBay. So, but they fit pretty good. The driver's side, ironically, fits a lot better than it does the passenger side, which makes me wonder if something wasn't done to that passenger side door at one time. I don't see any evidence of any body work being done on it, but who knows? But it does fit better on the driver's side. It's 100% improvement in it. But anyway, if you go to do it, well, figure on a day. I'm just talking about removing the old cards and putting the new ones in if you hadn't done it before. If you've done it before, you could do it in a couple hours. I've probably got, let's see, I ran into a problem with the handle, the door handle, this piece here. It wasn't setting flush against the panel, and what that was doing is it wouldn't allow the lever to come out enough to get started through so I could get the thing installed. So it took me about an hour to figure out how to secure these tighter in those aftermarket door panels, and they popped right in. I think the video showed it. So anyway, so you know, as far as getting that thing back to you know, fighting condition, it's coming along slow, but this beautiful weather helps. So anyway, I hope everything's going good with you and yours. Everything's going great here. Can't complain. Won't do me no good to complain anyway. Just carry on and take care of that business. So have a good one, and I hope to see you around on the next one. See you.